Cloud adoption refers to the process of transitioning an organization's data, applications, and services from traditional on-premises infrastructure to a cloud-based infrastructure. Whereas cloud repatriation refers to the process of moving data, applications, and services back from the cloud to an on-premises infrastructure. Hello and welcome to Varindia News Hour. Both cloud adoption and cloud repatriation can have their benefits and drawbacks depending on an organization's specific needs and circumstances. Cloud adoption can provide organizations with access to powerful computing resources, flexibility, and scalability, while cloud repatriation can provide greater control, increased security, and potentially lower costs in some cases. Yes, it is true that some enterprises are moving from cloud adoption to cloud repatriation. While cloud adoption can provide many benefits such as scalability, flexibility, and cost savings, it may not be the best fit for every organization or workload. There are several enterprises taking bold decisions to move from cloud adoption to cloud repatriation can be influenced by a variety of factors. All it seems, cloud is getting busted. Some common reasons for cloud repatriation includes: number 1, cost concerns. That is, unexpected costs can arise if usage exceeds projections or if an organization is not able to optimize its cloud resources effectively. Number 2, security and compliance. That means, although cloud providers offer robust security and compliance measures, some organizations may have specific security or compliance requirements that are better met by on-premises infrastructure. Additionally, concerns about data sovereignty or data ownership can also be a factor in cloud repatriation. Number 3, performance issues. In some cases, an organization's workloads may perform better on on-premise infrastructure than in the cloud. This can be due to a variety of factors such as network latency, data transfer speeds, or resource contention. Number 4, vendor lock-in. That is, some organizations may become concerned about being locked into a single cloud vendor, which can limit their flexibility and negotiating power. Cloud repatriation can provide greater control over IT resources and allow organizations to choose the infrastructure that best meets their needs. Cloud repatriation can provide greater flexibility and control over IT resources, allowing organizations to adjust their infrastructure to meet changing needs. Ultimately, the decision to move from cloud adoption to cloud repatriation should be based on a thorough analysis of an organization's specific needs and goals. This should include a careful evaluation of the costs, security and compliance requirements, performance considerations, and other factors that may impact the organization's IT infrastructure. Let's look into today's headlines in Varindia. India to manufacture $300 billion electronic goods by 2026. Laying out a vision for India's role in the global electronic supply chain, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the country would manufacture $300 billion electronics goods by 2026. Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that from next year, mobile phones will be among top 10 categories for exports from India, while also adding that very soon a comprehensive semiconductor ecosystem including fabrication and manufacturing will be established in India. WhatsApp working on a new feature that will mute calls from unknown numbers. WhatsApp is reportedly planning to work on a new feature to mute calls from unknown numbers while still showing them in the calls list and notification center. This feature has several advantages such as reducing interruptions and potentially avoiding spam calls. The toggle will be located in the app settings, and once enabled, calls from unknown numbers are always silenced. Currently, WhatsApp provides the option to block and report these callers. All ministries and departments to implement the E-invoice platform by March 2024. To cut back the prospects of corruption, Finance Secretary T.V. Somanathan mentioned that the federal government will carry all of the central ministries and departments on the E-invoice platform earlier than March 2024. Up till now, 350 departments are on the paperless and faceless E-invoice system that was rolled out in the last 12 months, enabling online invoice cost and monitoring. The E-invoice platform will also help ensure timely clearance of bills submitted by their vendors and contractors. HCL Tech to double its semiconductor business in 4 years. HCL Technologies expects to double its semiconductor services business in 3 to 4 years. HCL Group is among the companies that have applied to set up electronic chip plants under the scheme of compound semiconductors, for which HCL Technologies will assist HCL Corporate in end-to-end processing of chips. One of the focus sectors for HCL Technologies, especially in engineering services, is semi-chip. LinkedIn announces collaborative articles powered by artificial intelligence. LinkedIn has introduced a new feature called collaborative articles, which will use AI-powered conversation starters to design discussions between experts on the platform. The company will match articles with relevant members based on its skills graph, inviting them to contribute context, extra information and advice for the articles. The company believes that the system will make it easier for people to contribute their perspectives because starting a conversation is harder than joining one. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.